We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words, including words whose pronunciations vary between British English and American English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. In British English, this is usually said as law, law. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as law, law in American English versus law in British English, law or law. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Are you able to pronounce it correctly? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for the support. Hit the like button if this was useful. Thank you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.